Class, coming back with me, Adi from the Code with the Kaizen. Today, I will show you how to install the MySQL in two different ways in Mac OS using interface GUI and with the Homebrew as usually. Okay, the first, and we I show you how to reset your password if you forgot the password in your MySQL in Brew. Okay, the first way I will show you how to install MySQL in Homebrew. Okay, I exit first, clear. The first, as usually, we can type brew install MySQL. This I already download. If you already download, you can see the message appear in your terminal. Okay, I can clear. After you install MySQL, you can run the MySQL secure installation. Okay, I can. Okay, MySQL is secure installation, but I don't run this first because I already install. You can see the message as this in your terminal. So I will show you my SQL secure installation after I change my old password. Okay, I clear. Uh, oh sorry, I run first. Ah, I typo root min p. Uh, okay, if you success install your MySQL and already set the password using MySQL secure installation before, you can log in with your password and you can see this the terminal interface in MySQL using Brew. Why we must using password in new version of MySQL? Because MySQL is not using native in MySQL, so we must insert the password for the MySQL to save the local host. Okay, and then I will show databases. This is my database, and I will exit and clear. For example, assumes I already forgot my password, and how to how to reset the password, and I can use again. For example, I already use I for a long time ago. I don't use the MySQL because my project is many more using Mongo, MongoDB or Postgre, and I forgot my password. And here we go. Uh, I clear this. The first, you can run this script MySQL d underscore save min skip min grant min tables da and you can run sorry, before you using this script you must already stop the MySQL service, because this is the same service, but MySQL d save. This is a method we can call it emergency server for MySQL if we forgot password, and then we can run. This is already starting MySQL D daemon with databases from. Okay, and then we can type MySQL menu root, and we can already log in with our database, but without password. This is because this is a emergency server for change password, and we can check our database. This is the same data. This is our database. This is the same with our database when we login normally, and this is now assumes we forgot our password, and then we can type plus privileges. This is for we give the emergency server of MySQL DSafe to get the privilege to execute the query, and the query okay, and then we can type update mysql.user set authentication underscore string. In the old MySQL we use set password and double string, but in the new SQL we use the authentication string equal, and we type the authentication string as a double string. This is because set the new password in the normally login actually in the MySQL secure installation in the first. So we can next our query where user equally root and double, and we close. Okay, we success run our query. The query is okay, and we don't forget flash privilege again. Okay, and then we done our way to reset the authentication string or password root password to empty, and we can exit, and we can close the emergency server of MySQL, and don't forget to kill our MySQL underscore save and MySQL process in the background. This is the purpose is the normal server and the emergency server is not run in the same time. This is make the MySQL crash or error, and this is the message down MySQL script green tables, and then I can show you the ways when we after install MySQL secure installation. Enter password for user root. Sorry. After you finish with your emergency server, don't forget to turn on the normal server, and you can see this. You can input new password, and I input my password in the normal, and I re-enter my password. And do you wish to continue with the password provided? Yes. Your password does not satisfy the current policy requirement. Okay. Yes. Ah, okay. I will change my password with uh come on. Yes. Your password does not satisfy at mm, 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 mm. Yes. Okay. Uh, I forgot to change the current policy requirement in the emergency server. So this is you can type the password must password strong in the combine for the capital, normal case, a number, and the unique character. Remove anonymous user. Yes. Normally, root should only be allowed to connect from localhost. The answer that is some characters disallow root legend remotely. No. Remove test database and access to it. Yes. Reload privilege tables now. Yes. All done. So we can check the new password. Okay, and you can change. I start using server normally. This is a normal way. And with this MySQL DMG file, you can this is usually you install the software. You can use you can next, agree, next, install, yeah, like that. This is the same way, but this is the with the GUI interface. But I cancel because I don't want to install because the size is wow, this is bigger. Just a service, this is the bigger for me. So I think the tutorial this time is useful for you to reset your password MySQL using the emergency server MySQL underscore save, and I can come back with the new content again and see you the next time.